Hello, and today I'm going to show you the steps that I use to make a key fob wristlet out of vinyl. This is some beautiful vinyls, and I hope you can see the shimmer of these. This one that I purchased from My Punk Broidery. There's a website. She has a Facebook group. I just really love these vinyls. This one right here is a luster that she's not carrying now. Hopefully someday she'll be able to bring this delicious vinyl back. I don't know if you can truly capture exactly how beautiful this luster is. So right now I have stitched or cut out 1.5 inch pieces of vinyl. So I'm going to sew this first one up real quick. I'm going to try to get them all lined up. Hold on a second. And I'm just going to start. Make sure to keep the vinyl all lined up. Excuse me for a second. I'm going to take a quick pause and I'm going to go trim this down. I'll be right back. And with the magic of pause on the phone, I have trimmed this off, and I'm going to come back and sew this side. So I've trimmed it down now to 1.25 inches because my hardware that I use is 1.25 inches. Oops. See if I can, there. So this is going to be the wristlet strap. One of the vinyls is a little bit wider than the other, so I will trim this up and make it nice and pretty. And let me get some hardware that I use. This is the hardware that I actually use. This is a ring that will fit on here. And then I just basically take both of these. I put them in here after I get everything all trimmed up. And notice that they fit side to side. And I will use a tool to help clamp this down. So they make beautiful strap wristlets for your keys and stuff. So play around and enjoy. I hope you like this video and explore different things that you can make and enjoy. They make great gifts. Talk to you later. Bye. I thought I would come back and show you exactly what the wristlet looks like after I put the hardware on. This is great. You can put your keys on this key ring. And it's great for, you know, like when you're running around, you can just, you know, carry your keys like this so you don't drop them and stuff like that. And I've used a wristlet like this for years from my keys in my purse. And I will tell you, when I go in my purse to find my keys, that finding this big strap is pretty easy, actually, so I don't have to dig too terribly much. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you'll like and subscribe and share. Talk to you later. Bye.